Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a delivery address to your account on eBay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the My eBay option at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal, where you can use your email address and your password or your social accounts to log in. After logging in, you will end up within the home page where you can start buying various different kinds of products. Now, if you have just recently created your account, then you will only be asked to enter your address while creating your account, which will be used as your registration address. And a delivery address for any of your orders has not been set into your account yet. So in order to change this, click on the My eBay icon at the top right corner once again. And now, from the My eBay section, click on Account. Within the Account section, underneath Personal Info, click on Addresses. And now, you can click on the Edit button alongside Shipping Address in order to change your shipping address. You can click on Add Another Address in order to add a new one. Now you can just choose your country and then enter your name, followed by your street address, your city, as well as your state and your zip code. Finally, enter your phone number for this location. And if you wish to set this as your default delivery or shipping destination, then you can click on Save as Primary Address. Finally, click on the Save button, and now your shipping address will be added onto your account right away. And from this point on, whenever you make any purchase, within the checkout screen, you will directly be able to select this address without having to type it in every single time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a shipping address to your eBay account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.